Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to perform a password reset on a Windows 10 machine. Now, the software that I'm going to be using is this Lazesoft Recovery Suite 4.3. Now, I'm going to go ahead and include a link below where you can download it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is I'm going to go ahead and run this application. Have the licensing agreement, so we're going to go ahead and accept the agreement. Click on next, of course the path, hit next, and of course next. I'm going to click on install. And there we go, it just finished. So of course we're going to go right ahead and launch application, hit finish. Now, for this software, you do have Burn CD USB drive, launch bootable media builder to burn a bootable recovery CD or USB disk. We also have Windows recovery, data recovery, disk image and clone, and of course the password recovery that we want. So let me go right ahead and set up a bootable USB. So let's go ahead and go in here. Uh, Please select the Windows version of your target computer. So we want, well, actually, we do have more options down here. So we do have Windows XP, we have Windows Vista, 7, Windows 8, and of course Windows 10. So we're going to do the Windows 10 64-bit, hit next. And we do have the option to burn the ISO using a CD DVD, a USB flash drive, or basically just grab the ISO. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and put this on a USB thumb drive. So let me go ahead and grab one and let's try it out. Okay. Looks like it's still grayed out. Let's see. What's there? Huh, that's weird. Let me go right ahead and try to grab another flash drive. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's kind of weird. For some odd reason, the USB flash just does not want to show up. But that's fine. I'm just going to go right ahead and just download the ISO image. Let's go ahead and hit browse. Go ahead and do desktop. Hit save. And we'll go ahead and click on start. Okay, so it looks like this will take some time, so I'm just going to go right ahead and let this run. Okay, so there we go. So the ISO image was created successfully. So here we're just going to click OK. And of course, there's ISO. And we have it here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel and exit out of this. Now the software I'm going to be using, it's called Rufus. I did make a video on how to make a bootable USB using this software. So if you want to go ahead and check that out. Okay, so Rufus went right ahead and finished. So now we have a bootable USB drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this program out. I'm going to go ahead and reboot the workstation, and we're going to go right ahead and boot into our USB flash drive. Okay, so before we continue, I just wanted to show you that this account does have a password. So I'm just going to type in just random characters, and you can see the password is incorrect. Try again. So yeah, let's go ahead and reboot this workstation and get into the boot menu. Okay, so now that we are at the boot menu, I'm just going to go ahead and go to the USB disk 3.0, and we're going to boot off of that. There we go. So the first option would be Lazesoft Live CD. Of course, we're going to go ahead and hit enter.
And there we go. So we are inside. So it looks exactly the same as the software did. You do have the Windows recovery, data recovery, disk image, and clone, as well as a password recovery, which basically that is the one that we're going to be using. So let's go right ahead and select that. And here we have reset Windows password, of course. We're going to hit next. The free Lazy Software Home Edition is licensed for non-commercial use only. For commercial use, please use the Lazy Software Professional Edition, only for non-commercial use. Absolutely, I am not a business, so let's go ahead and click on yes. And here we do have Windows 10 x64 edition, volume 1, and of course we're going to do a reset local password. Hit next. Now here we have a list of users that we have here, so it will show, of course, the Ramo Mondial, and we do have the admin credential, which is this one right here. So for this video, we're just going to use the Ramo Mondial. We're going to hit next, and we get basically just the full name, and here we want to do, oh, look, it looks different than the other one. So yeah, I've used this program before, but this just looks way different. So all right, well, let's go ahead and click on reset unlock. The password reset was successful. Perfect. Hit OK. Finish. So at that point, we're okay now. So okay, let's go ahead and reboot the workstation and let's see what happens. Okay, and as you can see, it looks like it just reset the password. So it's just letting us in, so we don't have to type in no credentials or anything like that. And there we go. So we are back inside of Windows. So as you can see, basically we're able to access everything that I have on this account. So yeah, there we go. Well, everybody, I do hope you enjoyed this video. And like always, we'll catch you on the next one.